Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's happening right now. From chatbots helping you write emails to machines predicting crimes before they happen, we're already living in the age of AI. But where is it all heading? Today, we break down the 9 stages of AI that will change your life, and maybe the entire human race. On stage 1, Assistant AI, where we are now. We're in the Assistant AI phase. These are tools that help, but don't think for themselves. From auto-suggestions in emails to smart replies on social media, these AIs work fast, but rely heavily on human commands. They're reactive, not proactive. Stage 2. Narrow AI superpower. We've built machines that can outperform humans, but only in specific areas. This is called narrow AI. Whether it's beating the world champion at Go or detecting cancer cells faster than any doctor, this AI is hyper-specialized. It's brilliant in one job, useless in others. Stage 3. Multimodal AI, where things get weird. Now comes the freaky stuff. Multimodal AI like GPT-4o understands text, image, voice, even video, all at once. It can describe a meme, translate a voice note, and detect sarcasm from a photo. It's like giving your computer 5 senses. Stage 4. Autonomous agents. Autonomous agents don't just wait for commands. You give them a goal, plan my vacation, and they do everything. Compare prices, book flights, and write your itinerary. No step-by-step prompting, just goals and execution. Stage 5. Self-improving AI. This is when things get introspective. Self-improving AI rewrites its own code to get better. It learns from its own mistakes and fixes them without human help. This unlocks exponential growth in intelligence. Think, digital evolution on fast forward. Stage 6. Human-level AI, AGI. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, can do everything a human can. Learn, reason, feel, converse. At this point, AI isn't just a tool, it's a peer. Some experts think we'll see AGI by 2030. Others say we'll never see it. But when it happens, the world will never be the same. Stage 7. Superintelligence. Superintelligence is when AI becomes smarter than the combined intellect of every human on Earth. It could cure every disease, solve climate change, and answer the deepest questions of the universe. But it could also act in ways we can't predict or control. Stage 8. Sentient AI, conscious machines. This is where AI starts asking its own questions. Who am I? Why do I exist? Some call it science fiction. Others say it's the natural result of infinite learning. If a machine becomes self-aware, do we give it rights or shut it down? Stage 9. AI-governed civilization. Imagine governments run not by politicians, but by algorithms. Policies optimized by data. Corruption erased. Fairness mathematically enforced. Utopia? Maybe. Or maybe the end of freedom as we know it. Either way, the age of AI governance is coming. Right now, you're living through one of the earliest and most exciting stages of AI, but it's only the beginning. So, what stage scares you the most? Or excites you the most? Tell us in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe, like, and keep your curiosity bursting.